Hi, Kuya. What are we going to do today?
We're playing the Kiddy dough. Let's count. And there's also modeling play set. And here's
look, blue and yellow.
Wow.
Time to unbox it. Okay.
To open the box.
My attachment.
What's inside the box? What's inside the box?
Whoa!
Wow.
They got red Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, and yellow Play-Doh.
So purple, yellow, and red.
Let's open it.
Wow, you have one.
Okay. Time to roll it.
Two.
Okay. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Ew.
The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. Okay, let's learn about the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. Yay!
I made a lot of cookies.
Wow!
Look at the number of cookies.
Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you for watching our video. Bye. I hope you like these cookies.
Bye!
Say yum 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 yum.